Hi there, it's George here, and this is a spontaneous video about my coffee plant that is in full flower buds now. A lot of flower buds this time. It is under a tree, like pear tree in the garden, and there is shade, and I put it here, and it seems like my coffee plant loved that place, and but not only that, coffee plant did get aged, and already it is in bloom much more flowers. Let me show you. As you can see, how many are about 60, 50, I don't know, but how many. Look at those. Here we can notice new growth as well, but so many flower buds, and all will bloom and will make coffee beans. It will be amazing when I will see on my coffee plant full with coffee beans. As you can see how many. Let's take a look here how it looking on the steam. It's doing really good. It is hot right now. We have around 54 degrees, and yeah, on the bottom branch as well, as you can see. And yeah, this 2023 a lot of flowers will be. And because that temperatures with hot temperatures, you know, I have to water every day almost, and I'm doing that. And here the new leaves as well. Awesome, so many. Let's see from this side. You know, it's beautiful. And I will have to show you the coffee plants that I grew from seed from my own seeds, and they're looking just pretty. On the grow light they're growing, but you know, I will have to repot them and move outside next summer. Next to the coffee plant, it is this plant, really beautiful too. Well, it has been a few days, and it is an update. Here we go, it is in full bloom right now. As you can see, how many flowers on all the branches. And these leaves did grow more. Awesome. And I hope we'll make coffee beans on all these flowers, and we will see. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of my coffee plant, and I will catch you next time. George was here, and see you later. Bye bye.